Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. If I just see me for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I'm filming this video from Lagos, Nigeria. So in this video today, I'm going to be reviewing this 3-year-old wig from ENL Beauty. And this wig was one of the first hairs which I sold to my sister. Yeah, my sister bought this wig from me when I actually got into selling Vietnamese hair. So this is actually one of my vendors which I've worked with for a while, and they actually do sell very good quality Vietnamese hairs.
I'm doing this video for ENL Beauty because her hairs are amazing, very lovely, longer than the length you asked for. This is 22 inches and it's so very long, you would not believe. I love it. Thank you.
She's had this hair for 3 years because, man, it's one of the, in fact, was this the first hair she bought from me? I think this was like the second hair she bought from me. So this hair right here is Vietnamese hair. It's double drawn. It's not bone straight. It's still straight hair. And you don't need to force so much. You don't need to stress yourself so much to straighten the hair because, of course, it's good quality. So let's get into details about this hair. So far so good. She's had this hair for 3 years. And in that 3 years, the hair has still retained its fullness. It has not shed. These 3 years of this hair, and just to see how full this hair is. Just to see how full this hair is. It's 3 bundles of hair. And with this hair, how I mix the length for this hair is, I think I used 22 inch at the upper part. So the longest part of this hair is actually 22 inch, which are the strands at the upper part, this area right here. So the upper part here is 22 inch, while the mid part right here, I think this right here should be around the middle length. Yeah. Well, the middle part of this wig right here is a bit shorter. Like you can see, this is shorter. This is shorter. I think I might have picked some of the longer strands, but you can see that this is shorter right here. It's not the same length. While the one at the bottom part here is also slightly shorter. So you can see what I have going here with this wig is actually a mixed length. So we have 22 inch, we have I think 18 inch, and then 16 inch, or I think something around there. So it's just layered up together, so they both meet each other just right underneath my bust area right here. So if you're going for that level look, then I think this combination right here will be really bomb for you. So what's the beautiful thing about this hair? So far she has used this hair for 3 years and she really hasn't had any complaint about the quality of the hair. The only problem she had with this hair was the fact that because I was trying to save cost for her, I used a Chinese frontal and I combined it with the hair to make the wig for her. But then she started to notice that the Chinese hair wasn't looking straight. Because it started to tend to look more wavy while this hair would remain straight. So she wanted me to switch and change it to a Vietnamese closure. So I got this closure from the same vendor, and I re-wigged the hair for her and I turned it into a closure wig. So now definitely when she receives this hair, I don't know, I'm already rocking her hair because, man, I love it. When I told her, man, I've been rocking her hair because she's my sister, I can afford to do this. But if it was a customer, I can't be rocking a customer's hair, of course. I can't be doing that. So when I told her how I really liked the hair, and I couldn't believe that she's had this hair for 3 years and it still looks like it's brand new. Like, guys, this hair still looks like it's brand new, and she's had it for 3 years. She's been wearing this hair for 3 years. Like, this was her party hair, the hair she used to wear for Owambes, like, you know, going out for all those special occasions. This was the hair she used to wear when she's going out, and she's a very social person. So you can imagine when you're going out, you always have to wear one hair, and then she would change the style, maybe do the side part, they do a middle part, or do a center part and all of that. So she wanted the frontal look because of all all the different styles she could get out of the frontal. But the thing is, she didn't like the fact that the hair on the frontal looked different from the hair on the bundles itself. That was why she asked that I change it. So right now you can see, because I changed from the Vietnamese closure, I removed the Chinese frontal and put the Vietnamese closure. Everything just rhymes right now. So when you're getting your wigs, always ensure that if you're getting Vietnamese hair, always get Vietnamese closures also to match with the hair, so you wouldn't have that situation which she had. She's having to spend another money again just to ensure that she gets what matches, like, you know, she meets that, she achieves that look which she actually wants, which is the bomb straight hair look. So guys, this is just a testament to the fact that ENL Beauty has good quality hairs. So if you've been looking out to get hairs from a vendor and you don't know which of the vendors to try out, I can assure you ENL Beauty will give you only good quality hairs which you use for a very, very long time. And from the way this hair looks, guys, she's still going to wear this hair for another 7 years. For another 7 years or even more. She can still even use this hair for another 13 years or even 17 years, depending on how she manages it. So long as she's not rough with it, or she doesn't even mistakenly throw her hair into a washing machine in one day. So this hair is one which she's going to definitely use, and she'll really get value out of the money which she spent on purchasing this hair. And the beauty of this hair is it's not prone to tangling at all, it's not prone to shedding. You could easily run your fingers through this hair. It's very full, it's lush, the strands don't look different, like the hair doesn't have any foul smell whatsoever. Though of course I've actually washed it, but then the hair is really good quality, guys. So if you're looking at to purchase hair, especially if it's Vietnamese hair, make sure you holla at ENL Beauty. So I forgot to give a very important information about this hair. So as at the time when she bought this hair, the dollar rate was still around 365 naira, or rather it was around 365 naira or even 2 something. The dollar rate was lower then, so she got this hair way back then for around I think 85,000 naira from me. So right now, if you're getting this hair from me, because of the way the length is, you have 21 inch, you have the 16 inch bundle, the 18 inch bundle mixed together, and I think the closure which I use now is a 22 inch closure. Of course, just the closure of this hair alone right now, because of the dollar rating, the dollar rate is at 500 naira for each dollar. The closure alone costs around 22,000 naira. Don't talk about the bundles. So to get hair like this right now, it's going to cost you anywhere around 130,000 naira to, let's see, 140, at least within that 120 to 140 range, 150 range to get hair like this. Yeah, I know the value of our naira is going down and it's really more expensive to buy quality things right now, but then if you want to get good quality hair, you could still trust ENL Beauty to give you good quality at an affordable price. To some it might be expensive, but at least you know you're getting value for money. Took this wig off now. You can see I'm wearing it, and at the back side it doesn't even create that you know when you wear some hairs, when you wear it for a while, it starts to what do you call it? It starts to get tangled up and it starts to bulge at the back side. But with this one, even when you wear it for a while, it still stays straight and sleek. And you can see how the hair looks. Just even after 3 years, it still looks really, really nice. Still looks nice, it still looks really good. Even after 3 years using this hair, it still looks really nice. I'm going to put a link to our website in the description box, or even our WhatsApp in the description box, so you could holler at me to purchase hairs from me, because of course I'm only going to give you good quality hairs. And even the makeup product which I'm wearing is also from ENL Beauty. I'm wearing our eyeshadows, our mascara, our eyeliner, and our lipstick which I'm wearing is Netflix and Chill. It's a matte lipstick, guys, and I don't know if you like it. If you like the color of the lipstick, and if you like the way it looks on me, let me know in the comment section, guys. And please support the hair and makeup brand. ENL Beauty is a small business and I'm really just trying to push all into it. So if you can support the business, please just help us grow. Support us by patronizing. Tell a friend, tell another friend that ENL Beauty has bomb hairs and really nice makeup products, so that the business can grow. But either ways, guys, thank you so much for watching this review video. And if you liked watching this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and share with your friends. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to all my subscribers. I sincerely appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And let's just help increase my watch time so I can finally monetize my channel. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember to be bold and have courage, guys. Live a positive life. Jesus loves you, and Jesus is King. Bye. See you in my next video. Yeah.